Hello, this is Jerry Huang and welcome to 1 Minute Bio News, delivering you the hot and nutritious K-Bio news. The Ministry of Food and Drug Safety held a final inspection and committee meeting to decide on the item permission for SK Biosciences COVID-19 vaccine, SKYCovione, the fruit of SK's constant challenges over the past 35 years. HKNON and GC Cell discussed joint development of next-generation cell therapy. According to the industry officials, collaboration between large pharmaceutical companies like this is now essential for innovative new pharmaceutical to be born. According to the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy's import and export trends in the first half of 2022, BioHealth ranked the first among the top 15 major export items. Nearly $10 billion of exports have been achieved. The main factors are analyzed as vaccines and diagnostic kits, biosimilars and bioimplants, and increased biopharmaceutical consignment production. Thanks for listening to 1 Minute Bio News. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Bye.